see, I'm in a very different setting. This weekend, this long weekend, Patrick and I partnered with Norwegian Cruise Lines to show you guys and test out their new Norwegian Encore, which is a new ship. So we are on a 3-day cruise. We left from Miami yesterday. We got to Miami and then we got on the ship and then we went to a really cool event. It was a christening event because it's a new ship. They have this whole ceremony and party essentially. So we got dressed up and we went to that last night.
Pirate Patrick here and Typhoon Tessie reporting for duty. Tonight we will show you the christening featuring Kelly Clarkson with a bottle of champagne slamming into the side of this wonderful vessel. Do you have anything to add to this?
You're a star.
Welcome to the christening of Norwegian Encore.
But today is a sea day, so we have a ton of time to explore the ship. We're gonna try out a bunch of different things and bring you guys along with us on the vlog camera. Patrick's gonna film a little bit and get some cool shots of it. So it's gonna be really fun. We're kind of testing it out for you, you know? It's like perfect timing with the holidays coming up, spring break, that's always when my family and I went cruising. So by us testing it out, hopefully it gives you an idea if it's something you wanna do in the future, you and your family. It's a great idea. So let's go, I'm excited. We're gonna go on the racetrack soon, which I'm really excited about. A racetrack on a cruise ship is unreal to me. So they have these little like power booster guns. So if you don't want to ride the racetrack, you can sit up here and give the riders little boosts, which is super cool.
It's a heist.
We're going on the racetrack. Robbing a bank or going on a racetrack? Next up, laser tag, which I'm really excited about. This one's unique because normally for laser tag, I feel like you're in like a really dark room and there's like neon lights everywhere. This is all in an open area and it's got like a cool theme to it. There's like a huge serpent in the middle. And then you use the iPhone gun to kind of see the laser that's shooting out. Really cool. Hiding, duh. Okay, so we came to eat at this cute diner that they have on the ship. So we got sliders, mozzarella sticks. Alright, he's gonna go on the slide. The one that shoots you down. I'll try and catch you.
Pretty cool.
We showered and changed and got ready for dinner. We're at a, what are we at? Country? Like a country style? Yeah, smokehouse.
Also, I'm not a gambler. I won $70. Okay, so I lost 30, but I made 70 back.
Pat's hair looks nice tonight.
It's my mermaid hair.
Super fluffy. We're seeing kinky boots. I'm excited. I've never seen kinky boots before, so it's gonna be fun.
Since we cannot actually film some of it. Not even a clip.
Maybe.
I will do my best to reenact the highlights of it post-show.
I should have brought my knee-high boots.
You didn't?
Running a little late this morning because we slept in, so we ran to get on the tender.
Actually ran.
Yeah.
A little early for that. Anyway, we're going to the Bahama Mama.
We're outside of the ship on a tender boat that takes us to the island. So that's the ship. We're gonna go jet skiing. It's gonna be fun.
Water motorcycles.
Double, but we each get our own now.
I was excited to throw her off. Taking a little dip. Gotta go find Tess. Bring my Starcraft.
We're in the middle of our jet ski adventure. I was demoted to last on the line, and now I'm number 2, so that's good, you know?
Check this out.
You have your Speedo! We're getting lunch. What are you getting?
Found a food truck, barbecue pulled pork, and a mojito.
So we just got done jet skiing. It was really fun. What'd you think?
It was so much fun. Definitely would recommend that.
I was intimidated at first, but you know, got the hang of it. And then I finally, what did I say on the clip? I was demoted to last in the line, and then he put me up to 2. And at the end, I almost got 1, so I was really excited about that. But we just got lunch because we're starving. We got pulled pork, chicken. It looks delicious.
Got a new cabana boy.
Thanks, babe. Chilling pretty hard. Oh. Pat's pale skin over here. He's got a shaded up.
I have red hair and look at me, I burn.
We are relaxing on the beach now after lunch. It was delicious. We're gonna go swimming in the ocean soon. It's gonna be great. It's really pretty. The water is so warm, so blue. Feeling really lucky. We are back on the boat from the Bahamas. I showered and changed. We went up here to take some sunset shots because the thing about cruising, sunsets on the sea are just so different. It's stunning. I'm gonna show you. It's looked different every minute. That's how sunsets work. But right now, it's really pretty. Doesn't this look like a painting? Wow. We did a little outfit change, got ready for dinner. I got burnt today, which is not
Spent all day on
normal.
the sea.
I know, but I feel like you burn. I don't usually burn.
I do, I'm delicate.
whatever. We're going to dinner. We're going to a Mexican restaurant, which I'm really excited to test out. I love some Mexican food, so we're gonna go do that. Like last time, I probably won't vlog during dinner. I'm gonna show you the food though, because it's very delicious. And then we're gonna go to a show later. This time, or tonight, it's Choir of Man, which I'm really excited to see. We got a sneak peek of it at the christening, and it looks really good.
I didn't want that to end.
I know, it was really
the best
good.
sing-along with like all your mates.
I know, that was good. We just left Choir of Man, and it was so much fun. It was really good. So obviously we're back in New York now. I really hope you guys enjoyed that weekend in my life. It was definitely a fun one. So huge thank you again to Norwegian Cruise Lines for partnering with us on this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. We've got some fun holiday vlogs coming up. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.